Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and welcome to Sami's Samia Online Boutique. So today we are going to present this awesome Gul Ahmed collection to you, and you will gonna love it. So I'm gonna give you a short review about this collection, so check out in the video and must order it. So this is the first pretty design, the awesome green color along with the black combo. You can see the Gul Ahmed name on the catalog as well. If you want to place an order, then WhatsApp us 0333435680, and I want to show you the Gul Ahmed stamped bag. This is the original bag of Gul Ahmed dresses, but I'll tell you that these are not original, these are replicas, but with the quality same like original. The quality, the color combos, everything will make you crazy. You can see the beautiful coloring. I just love these dresses. If you want to place an order, then WhatsApp 0333435680. The awesome green. If you are on Facebook, then visit our Facebook page also, Sami's Samia Online Boutique, and we have a request to like, comment and share our video. We need your support. And I love this color. Personally, I love it. So that's the fourth one. And if you are on Instagram, then SamiaSami7227, that's the account you can follow and place your order. And this is the final design, the lovely color combinations along with the Gul Ahmed stamp bags and catalogs, digital printed Chunri collection. Place your orders. The stock is very short and limited. 5 designs. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.